Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review that will transform your outdoor space into a tranquil oasis. In our blog post article on AskGazebo.com, we reviewed the amazing Sojag Gazebos. Now, let's dive into the key features and benefits of these remarkable structures. Introducing Sojag Gazebos. Sojag Gazebos are renowned for their exceptional quality and elegant design. Whether you're looking to create a cozy spot for relaxation, host gatherings, or protect yourself from the elements, Sojag Gazebos have got you covered. Stylish design and durability. One of the standout features of Sojag Gazebos is their stylish design. Crafted with precision, these gazebos effortlessly blend into any outdoor setting, enhancing the aesthetics of your space. They offer a variety of designs to suit your taste, from traditional to modern. Versatility and functionality. What sets Sojag Gazebos apart is their versatility. They provide a multifunctional space that can be customized to fit your needs. Whether you want to create a relaxing lounge area, an outdoor dining space, or even a home office, Sojag Gazebos offer endless possibilities. Easy assembly and maintenance. Assembly is a breeze with Sojag Gazebos. The intuitive design and clear instructions make it a hassle-free process. You'll have your gazebo ready to enjoy in no time. Sojag Gazebos truly provide the perfect outdoor retreat. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, enjoying a quiet evening, or simply seeking a place to unwind, these gazebos offer a blend of style, durability, and functionality that will exceed your expectations. To learn more about Sojag Gazebos and read our in-depth review, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest outdoor trends.